Good morning. It's a lovely 11:55 p.m. here, and I thought, what a wonderful time to book some activities for Disney Cruise Line. Here we go. So, like I said, it's 11:55 here, which means it's time to book for our Disney Cruise Line activities. As a reminder, you can book your Disney Cruise Line activities at midnight on your booking date. So, your booking date is determined by your Castaway Club status. So, you're going to want to break that down by your particular sailing, but we will list the dates and the kind of days to go by right here. Make sure to pause to see that. So we are obviously not new cruisers, so we are booking a little bit before new cruisers, but make sure to check. Now, the good thing is that your app or the DCL website will tell you when you can book, so you don't have to do any math or dates or anything like that. You can do this on the DCL website, but we prefer to do it here at Ports and Palaces on our app. So I'm going to show you my screen while I am checking in. It is, if you're seeing some difference of like lights, it is around Christmas time here. And so look, it's so beautiful. Thanks for enjoying my treat. Okay, back to the business. So here is my app right here. As you can see, I am not able to book any kind of activities at this second because it is not midnight. It says you can book at blank time. Now we're going to do the magic of editing and take you to exactly midnight when I was able to check in. Welcome to midnight. So now we're going to get back in the app and see that my plans are open. So as you can see, I'm open. I clicked my plans, and now here's some tips. You go to my plans on the first day and then go where you're going from there. So as you can see, I went to spa and then I changed to a different day. Then I went back to the main screen, clicked onboard adventures, and clicked to a different day. So that's how you can kind of quickly scroll to each day you're looking for. Now, if you're looking for a port adventure, you need to go to your first port adventure, so like your first port day, and then that port adventure will not be grayed out, and you can actually select port adventure and what you're looking for there. As you could see as I was scrolling, I did have some activities that I've already booked, but now I'm going to go in. Let's say we've decided we want to do an adult beverage tasting on day 3, which is our port day. So we're going to go back to the screen. We're going to click day 1, onboard activities. Then we're going to click day 3, Progresso, and we're going to go find the activity that we're looking for. And I've decided on mixology. So then you're going to click the select button, click who you want to do. You can see that there's automatically some people that are grayed out. So some of those people are below age, so they can't be in the activity. And some people are not the same Castaway Club status as us, and so we can't book for them yet. And so they'll be active at that time that they're available. So we went ahead and clicked who we want. We've clicked the time, and then it says congratulations. So then you go back and look at your, your home screen, and you can see everything that you've booked. And from there, you can decide to cancel or modify things where needed. Just know if as you're going through, things are going to book up. So you kind of want to book the things that you think you want, and then kind of cancel as you go. You have up until 3 days prior to cruise to cancel anything that you may not want. And there you have it, how to do booking activities for DCL. Like I said, there is a computer option, but I just think it's a lot easier to do it on the app. So that'll do it for this episode. If you learned something new, make sure to hit that like button and share with your friends. Make sure to subscribe for all new content. And then, as always, we'll see you on all your ports and palaces.